That video was made so people could know about autism and spread awareness.
Autism Spectrum Disorder, ASD, is a neurodevelopmentally condition characterized by difficulties in social communication, repetitive behaviors, and sensory differences. It varies widely among individuals, with some requiring significant support while others function independently. The causes are largely genetic, though environmental factors may contribute. Autism often coexists with ADHD, epilepsy, or intellectual disabilities. Diagnosis and classification have evolved, with the DSM-5 and ICD-11 defining autism as a spectrum rather than separate conditions like Asperger's. The neurodiversity movement challenges the view of autism as a disorder, arguing that societal structures contribute to disability rather than autism itself. Autistic people may experience social interaction differences, unique communication styles, and challenges in verbal and nonverbal communication. Research increasingly supports the idea that communication issues arise from differences between autistic and non-autistic people, rather than deficits. There is no cure, but therapies like applied behavior analysis, ABA, and speech therapy help with skills development, though ABA remains controversial. Medications manage co-occurring conditions rather than core symptoms. Autistic burnout, a state of exhaustion from navigating a neurotypical world, is widely recognized by autistic people but still under-researched. Autism awareness and diagnosis rates have increased, partly due to broader diagnostic criteria and better recognition. In 1911, Swiss psychiatrist Eugen Bleuler introduced the term autism to describe a symptom of schizophrenia, focusing on social withdrawal. Later, in the 1940s, Leo Kanner in the US and Hans Asperger in Austria independently studied children with social and communication difficulties, laying the groundwork for our current understanding of autism spectrum disorders. Site turn 0 search 0. Initially, autism was often confused with childhood schizophrenia. However, by the 1980s, it was recognized as a distinct developmental disorder. The Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, DSM-3, published in 1980, officially separated autism from schizophrenia, providing specific criteria for diagnosis. In 1994, Asperger syndrome was added to the DSM-IV, acknowledging a broader spectrum of autistic presentations. Later, in 2013, the DSM-5 unified various subtypes, including Asperger syndrome and classic autism, under the umbrella term Autism Spectrum Disorder, ASD, reflecting the understanding that autism encompasses a wide range of characteristics and severities. Over time, perspectives on autism have evolved. The neurodiversity movement emerged, emphasizing that neurological differences like autism are natural variations of the human experience, advocating for acceptance and understanding rather than viewing autism solely as a disorder to be treated. Site turn 0 search 0. Today, autism is recognized as a complex neurodevelopmentally condition with diverse manifestations. Research continues to explore its causes, with genetics and environment playing roles. Supportive therapies can assist with communication and social skills, aiming to improve the quality of life for autistic individuals.